is about layering essentials. Namaste beautiful people, I'm Saloni and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you over here. Thank you so much for your love and support. It really means a lot to me. And today's video is about layering essentials. So how you can convert your outfit in a very stylish way by just layering some very basic items that are already there in your wardrobe. So let's get into this video. I'm really excited. If you want to go out and you don't want to wear a sleeveless or very deep neck, then you can layer a turtleneck inside and see how stylish this is looking. And if you want to convert your dress into a skirt, you don't have a skirt and you're wondering what should I do, then you can convert your dress as a skirt as well. If you want to wear a crop top but you're not comfortable in sleeveless, then you can layer a t-shirt inside it and instantly you can look more stylish. To give a very different touch or a very stylish touch to your outfit, then you can layer a shirt inside your full sleeves top and it will look so classy. And if your outfit is looking very plain and you want to add a very classy touch to the outfit, that instantly what you can do is pair it up with a nice jacket and your outfit will look so amazing. So these are the 5 tips that changed my life in terms of layering, and I'm sure try this is going to change your life too. I hope this helps. Then please don't forget to hit that like button and do share it with your friends. Let them know how you can style very basic items and look stylish with just layering. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because this year I am dedicated to create daily videos to keep you all inspired about styling, DIYs, and to make 2022 your best year ever. So I'll see you in the next video with something really amazing. And I'm sending you lots and lots of love and a virtual hug.